UNISWAP UNI is going to go high in the long period. Okay, now in this video we are going to take a look at UNISWAP price prediction between 2022 down to 2030. You know, in the past 2 years, UNISWAP have actually gained over 2,000%. That simply means $100 investment would have returned over $2,000. That is a lot of money if you ask me. Now, when you take a look at this RSI here, you see that UNISWAP is approaching the point of oversold. Okay, this is a 1 week candlestick pattern. It's approaching the point of oversold, which simply means by the time UNISWAP will start going up again and touches the line 50 and crosses the line 50, this is going to take months. And this simply means UNISWAP will increase in value. Now, one good thing to understand about UNISWAP is that since September 17, 2020, UNISWAP have actually gained over 2,000%, like I said before, but UNISWAP actually hit $44.97. That was in May 3, 2021. That was last year when UNISWAP actually hit $44. We are hoping for this coin to actually go beyond $50 in the next 1 or 2 years to come. Okay, now let's take a look at the price prediction between 2022 down to 2030. Now, according to priceprediction.net, they believe in 2022 UNISWAP will actually end the year with $14.87. In 2023, $22. In 2024, they believe it will reach $31.71. In 2025, $46. And in 2030, this is here, $309.25. Wow, imagine UNISWAP hitting $309.25 in 2030 if this prediction comes to pass. That is a lot of profit for those that will be investing with UNISWAP. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, for my own personal prediction about UNISWAP, based on the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis, we believe UNISWAP UNI will actually hit. In 2022, it will hit $13 before the year runs out. And we also believe that in 2023, UNISWAP will actually reach $24 next year. Okay, and we believe in 2024, UNISWAP will end the year hitting $35. And in 2025, that's in the next 3-4 years to come, UNISWAP will actually reach $48. Now, in 2030, okay, UNISWAP will be trading between $140 down to $220. That would means you are going to make a lot of profit if UNISWAP eventually hits this point. Now, let's take a deeper analysis about UNISWAP. Now, this is the current price of UNISWAP, trading at almost $8.87 and $9. Now, if you decide to invest $100 at the time of recording this video, you actually have 11 coins of UNISWAP, which simply means $100. And if UNISWAP eventually hits $100 in future, your $100 investment will return this, which is 1,027%. That is your money. You are going to make $1,027 return, and your total money will be $1,127. Okay, so that is a lot of money if you ask me. Even if you are investing $1,000, you'll be making $10,000. So remember, to invest money you cannot afford to lose. UNISWAP is one of the best crypto coins to invest, and I believe they are going to do well. Okay, but please can do your own research before taking any decision.